Introducing Velocity Preferred from FORTÉ. Enough talk. It's time to take advantage of pre-engineered Velocity meeting room solutions. Fast, seamless integration. Supports Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Get moving with flexible mount configurations. Wall-mounted. Fixed to wall. Freestanding. Mobile cart. Dual displays up to 75 inches. Multi-platform. Blazing fast installation. Consistent and reliable. Built to last. Velocity Preferred meeting room solutions. Simplified, standardized, accelerated. Only from FORTÉ.